Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my experience buying my first drone, the DJI Mini 2. As a beginner in the world of drones, I had a lot of questions about what to look for and how to choose the right one. I hope that this video will help others who are in the same boat and thinking about buying their first drone. Before making a purchase, I did a lot of research on drones. I looked at different brands, types of drones, and their features. I also read reviews and watched videos to get a better understanding of the drones available in the market. I quickly realized that DJI is a popular and reputable brand in the drone world. I also found out that the DJI Mini 2 is a great option for beginners. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use. I chose the DJI Mini 2 because it's a great drone for beginners. It's small, lightweight, and easy to carry around, making it the perfect drone to take with you on your travels. Additionally, it has a lot of features that make it a great drone for photography and videography. It has a 3-axis gimbal 4K camera and can fly for up to 31 minutes on a single charge. I ordered my DJI Mini 2 online, and it was delivered within a few days. The setup process was very straightforward, and I was able to get it up and flying in no time. I was impressed with the quality of the drone and how easy it was to control. The camera was great, and I was able to capture some amazing footage right away. Flying my DJI Mini 2 for the first time was a lot of fun. It was easy to control, and the live video feed was very smooth. I was able to get some amazing shots of my neighborhood, and I was really impressed with the quality of the footage. The DJI Mini 2 also has a lot of safety features, which made me feel more confident while flying. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase of the DJI Mini 2. It's a great drone for beginners, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who is looking to buy their first drone. If you're looking for a drone that is easy to use, has great features, and produces high-quality footage, then the DJI Mini 2 is the perfect drone for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. That's all for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And I'll see you at the next one.